Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Need to send money quickly and easily. Here's how to send funds from Zoom to Gcash in just a few steps. First of all, link your Zoom account to Gcash. Open the Gcash app, go to Profile, select Linked Accounts, and click Zoom. Enter your Zoom registered email, authorize the link, and confirm with your Zoom password. Next, cash in. On the GCash homepage, go to Cash In and select Zoom under the Global Partners and Remittance tab. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Just remember the minimum is 500 pesos and confirm the transaction. And that's it, your money will be transferred securely to your GCash account. Planning to exchange foreign currency into Philippine pesos. Keep in mind that Zoom charges a hidden exchange rate markup. Compare options using Monito's comparison engine for the best deal. And thanks for watching.